First thing you notice when I walk in is the kitchen. You'll see that there is a bedroom, a queen size bed, so you have plenty of space for you and your company. The bathroom, the shower head that you can take off to take your shower. Everything you need is equipped for you here. This is a no smoking apartment, so you can come outside and do that here. This building does have a gym equipped with all the equipment you need. You don't have to go out and walk in the street. You can actually do it right here. The pool is interestingly shaped and it has steps. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Hatago from Authentic African, and if you want to know what a studio apartment looks like here in East Legon, Accra, Ghana, then this is the video for you. All right, guys, so I spent 8 years of my life traveling around Africa and 2 years of my life living here in Accra, Ghana. So we're gonna take you on a tour of this studio apartment here in East Legon. Bathrooms en suite, the building has a pool in it. This is your perfect Airbnb for your home away from home. So let's go. All right, welcome to the studio. So first thing you notice when I walk in is the kitchen. Open concept kitchen, stove, oven, hood, microwave, washer and dryer, all in unit. Whatever you need to do here, you can do here. There's plenty of storage, plates, spoons, forks, everything here. Of course, your cleaning supplies are here. And then as you walk in, you'll see that there is a bedroom and a study area as well. All right, so above the study area, you'll have the television equipped with DSTV. Obviously, of course, you have your internet here as well. The bed is a queen size bed, so you have plenty of space for you and your company. And then there's some storage off to the right here for storing your stuff. Now, I'll take you into the bathroom. Now, here in the bathroom, you have standard rainforest shower, and you also have the shower head that you can take off to take your shower. You have a sink and you have your toilet here. So everything you need is equipped for you here in the bathroom. Last but not least, we have my favorite part of the apartment. We'll take it to that next. And this is my favorite part, the balcony. So when you get out here, of course, you have a courtyard view, and you have plenty of sunlight and sunshine. If you're a smoker, this is where you come to do your smoking. This is a no smoking apartment, so you can come outside and do that here. You can also get a little bit of the sights and sounds of Accra off to your left here. And what I would recommend is that you come outside every morning and get a little bit of sunshine before you start your day. That's the best way to start your day. You're here closest to the prime meridian here in Accra, Ghana, so why not enjoy the sun? This building does have a gym equipped with all the equipment you need. One of the things I love about this gym is it's up above the Accra skyline, so you get a chance to see all of Accra while you're working out. So there's no excuse to not get your fitness in while you're on vacation. So let's go. Okay, all right, cool. So the first thing you'll notice is you have the exercise equipment here. This is for your cardio. So you have the treadmills here, you have the ellipticals here, and then you have kettlebells and weights here. So all of your cardio can be done in this area. They have yoga mats here, they have a water machine, they have something that you can wipe off the equipment with. So they make sure that you have all the state-of-the-art things you need to ensure that you have a clean and healthy experience. All right, guys, so as I mentioned, this is available for you whenever you're here. You should be getting your cardio on, get a little bit of steps in. You know, you don't have to go out and walk in the street. You can actually do it right here. This is a state-of-the-art equipment here, so you can set your goal. You can determine how many kilometers you want to run or how many miles you want to run. You can discuss how many calories you want to lose. All of that can be placed in here, and you can watch it. They also have a QR code so that you can set up your own fitness goals and your fitness app to attach to it, so you can actually include that along with all of your other stuff that you're using. So with that, guys, I would say make sure that you use this gym if you're gonna book this location. Okay, cool. So this is the other side of the gym, and over here you have free weights, and of course you have the bench press. So everything you need to do to keep your core tight and to also work on your fitness in terms of outside of cardio. You want to work on your strength and conditioning. You can do all of that here. There are some more machines over there for like bikes and row machines, etc. over there. But this gym does have everything you need. So if you're here and you want to get your workout in, whether you're here for your cardio or you want to get your strength training in, it has everything you need. So, as I mentioned, not only do they have a gym, they have a nice sized pool here. So the pool is interestingly shaped and it has steps. All right, guys, so that concludes the tour of this studio apartment here in East Legon, Accra, Ghana. If you know anybody who's looking for an apartment, make sure you share this with them. If you have any questions, put them in the comments below. And of course, if you want to book this location, the link will be in the description below this video. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're notified every time a new video comes out. Thanks for watching, guys. See you all in the next video. All right, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, like, comment, and share it with your friends. All right, see you on the next video.